Let's close our eyes. I will sing you a song that no one has heard. You'll be the first. Look me straight in the eye, said the sun to the earth. I will fill you with the bluest of sky. She smiled at the sun at the height of his parade. The light ripples up from the water into the leaves and returns. Autumnal fruits and chestnuts, your warmth and seasonal appreciation, while the trees rustle in love and laughter, showing we are always safe in her earthly love. My friends and I walk through the forest to find our sacred area. Summer warmth held in seas, earth slowly cooling, bringing winter closer. Slowly, over time, dark or light becomes more predominant, but the temperature lags behind. A time to make peace before transition, the energy of a nurturing planet. Each equinox is that moment of pure stillness. If the summer months are one long inhale of sweet golden breath, I am held in the cusp between light and dark. As we sit around the fire, the embers reaching out into the night sky. Summer warmth held in seas and earth, slowly cooling, bringing winter closer. Harvested fields, resting soil, trees on the turn. Now we give praise.